you are watching a video on our YouTube channel English with Shyam. Today, here are the 4 participants who are going to discuss, who are going to debate with me on a very interesting topic, which is always in trend actually. Okay, we always want to discuss on that. Today, we will discuss that who is better, boys or girls? Who is more responsible, boys or girl? Who is more active? Who is better student? But the twist is that guys, boys can't speak in favor of boys. It means they have to speak in favor of girls and girls have to speak in the favor of boys. That's the twist. But before we start the session, let's discuss about them. So please say something about you.
Good afternoon, one and all. Myself Raj Dhakse and my graduation is running.
Okay, yes, have it. Carry on.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Tawfiq Mirza and I am learning English from here.
Okay, yes.
Good afternoon to all. I am Deepika Kanade and I am a student of BA for second year.
Okay, yes.
Good afternoon all of you. My name is Rashti Dashore and I am studying in BBA first year.
Okay guys, now you can see here are the 4 participants who have been taking classes from here for more than 3 to 4 months. They have been attending GD classes. So now guys, if you like the video, so please share it and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So now we are starting the session. Let's get started. Okay guys, now who is going to start first? You? Yes.
So I really appreciate girls because girls are doing well in their life. In front of us, there are many examples of girls. So first of all, I would like to take the example of Hima Das. Hima Das belongs from Assam, and right now she is the DSP of there, and he faced many of struggle in her life because she was belong to farmer family, and he do a lot of hard work in her life and achieve her goal because they want to become. They want to do something best in her life.
Okay.
So I really appreciate girls.
Okay, that's really great. Yes.
Sir, according to me, girls are more active and more responsible in their life because girls leave their families, their parents, whatever they had, they leave for only for boys. And what boys do, boys does not care about girls. So I think girls are doing well in this society, and girls are able to do household work, but boys are not able to do household work.
Okay, that's really great topic. Okay, yes, here, yes, first.
I think boys are more responsible than girls, and because they have so much responsibility of their family members, they have to care about their family, like their sisters, that what is she doing in her studies. So they have to care about and they have to care about their parents. That in the I can say that at the 20 years old, so boys have to make their career, and they should think about their family. They want to do something from their family, for their family.
Okay, yes, Rusty.
I think boys are more responsible because if we are talking about studying, so they are studying in schools and colleges, but as well as they are earning because of their family and financial support for their family. And we can see so many girls, they are afraid, but boys are always brave. They can take care of their family and their sisters, and as well as they maintain a good relationship between all of them.
Okay, what about you? It means she said that boys are more brave. Okay, she said that boys have to start earning as well as they have to study. What about it?
She's right, but if we talk about the sacrificing, so girls are more sacrificing than boys.
Yes.
If we take the example of marriage, so after marriage she have to leave her house, her own house, and she have to go other house, and she have to taking care of other family. And if we take the example of boys, so boys do not have to leave their house. They have to maintain their house there only, and girl have to face new house.
Okay, what about the sacrifices? Yes.
So I think the leaving of a house is not only sacrifice. The boys always works entire the day. They also leave their house, and they sacrifice, like in a summer, in a hot days, they always work hard. They don't care because they know they have to fulfill all desire of their family. So I think boys are more sacrifice.
Okay.
So there are more girls who is also doing part-time job or other job. So she is also running her house. So what about her?
Okay, Tawfiq.
Sir, according to me, girls are more sacrificing because all the day they are doing household work, and after that, whenever his hubby is come in house, so they always take care about their hubby, and they are always take care about their hubby, but they don't receive respect from their hubby and from their family.
From them. But I heard that boys, as she said, boys has to manage out works. But what about inside? Even girls are doing work out of the home and they are doing work inside the home. So what is the difference here? It means they are doing both the work. So who is better here?
Sir, they just do work at their home,
Yes.
but boys have to manage their family members, because if they do not work out of the city and out of the home, so they can't suffer good, and they can't take a good admission in good schools. And boys have capacity that they can do it out of their cities, because nowadays you can see that, and I have also seen it in my village and city, because girls can't go away from their home, because there are so many foundation in their life, and I am also girl. My brother can go anywhere, but I can't go, because there is so much parents foundations. They
Okay,
can't.
so you are talking. I'm going to ask you very simple question. You're talking about foundations and all. So who put the foundations?
A society,
Okay.
because there are so many parents who just care about the society, what society will say, and they just think that a girl go anywhere, so she's.
So this is the drawback. It means here you are talking about boys. So boys are getting more opportunities as compared to girls. So ultimately girls are more better because they are not getting opportunity, but still they are getting success in the life. Yes.
No, sir, because there are so many girls who can't get it. And boys can, because parents just give freedom of a boys, and that's why they can do everything, and boys can do everything.
Okay. One by one. Yes.
At the present, we can see that there are many opportunity for girls, and girls are achieving their goals without any tension. And society is also changing.
Yes.
And they are all the family members of girl, they are giving her opportunity to do something in her life. If we talk about the study purpose, so many of the girls of Khandwa goes to Indore for study purpose,
Yes,
and
yes.
they achieve their goal and they came here for many achievement. She have to leave her home, and our society is not. We should not think about our society, what the people can think about us. If we want to do something in our life, so we can do.
Of course. Yes. One by one. Yes.
But I have seen so many girls, if their parents are giving them opportunities, so they are taking advantages in the wrong way. They give them a free, means what can,
Just
with-
giving them more
yes,
advantages.
they allow her to go outside, but they don't focus on study. They're doing some other works. So they are misusing their opportunities.
It means girls.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think boys are doing. Boys does not take care about their family. Boys are also doing this type of thing. Whatever you have told, and I think have you as you said that why does girls don't receive respect from society, and why does girls not able to achieve their goals because of girls' parents and think that society think girls cannot do anything. So it is a wrong thing. Girls can do anything. Take an example of Kalpana Chawla. She was the first girl who went on the moon. And girls has a capacity. They can do anything, but they don't receive opportunity to do anything.
It means boys are getting more opportunities. Yes. One by one. Then you. Okay. First Srishti, then Deepika. Yes. Deepika, you just get it.
But I think boys are more responsible,
Yes.
because they know that they are free, and they can go anywhere without any foundation, and without any fear that if I go anywhere, so I can't go in the night.
Okay.
And if a girl, as he said that girls can do everything. Yeah, I'm also girl and girls can do everything. But what about society? We don't. I also don't think about the society. But if my parents do not give me, so I can't do.
Because okay, you are talking about society. So this is the male-dominant society. Who made it?
We made the society.
We made the society. So who can change it? We.
We can change
So how can you blame a society until we are not fit? So first of all, we have to think in the different way. Okay, you are talking. Yes.
What I said, it is dependent on us. What we think. If we think society will what they will think about us. So we should not think about the society people, because what we want to do in our life, we have to achieve what we want. They don't. They will troll you.
Okay.
But if you will achieve goal in your life, so they will appreciate you.
Okay. This is the topic where we can say that who is better student. Recently we have discussed who is more responsible. Okay. What about who is better student? Who are getting more education? Who is a better student here? Okay. Who is going to answer?
I think boys are better students in school life and also in college life, because they know that whether they don't study a year, theoretically, but in the last we can see that they pass in the examination and they can get any job more than girls.
Okay. What about it? It means according to her, girls are not as good student as boys are. Then topic, okay?
I think girls are good students more than boys, because girls are doing hard work for study purpose, and they are getting good marks in examination. But boys are unable to do. And some if we take the example of pass and fail, if we compare the ratio of pass and fail, so in every class 2 or 3 boys are getting failed and got supplement in a subject. But if we compare the girl, so girl can't get supplement, got supplement, and
Okay. In class, it means somehow girls are better
Yeah.
students. Yes, Tawfiq.
Sir, according to me, girls are more better as compared to the boys in study, because I'm a engineering student, and in my branch I have seen more admission of the girls as compared to the boys, and girls are getting more and more marks as compared to the boys, but they don't receive respect from their parents, because there are many parents in India who thinks that we should not teach our girls to go outside, and there are many parents who bound restrictions to the girls.
Why? I'm asking to you why this is happening. Why? Why boys are getting more opportunity for study but girls are not getting? Why?
Because boys are you are right, boys are getting more opportunity because their parents allow to do anything, but girls have some restriction. They have to do all work within the foundation.
Okay, Srishti, what do you think about it? Who is better student?
Sir, I think boys are better student, because we can say they are mischievous, but at the time of examination they can score better, because they know all they have all types of knowledge. So I think as a student, boys are better.
Okay. My next question to all of you: who understand parents best? It means girls can understand parents easily, or boys can understand parents easily. Who can? One by one. Yes, first. Yes.
Sir, I think boys can easily understand, because girls are like emotional, so they can't take quick decision. But boys know what is right and what is wrong for our family, so he can take a fast decision, and they are not getting emotional. So and the parents think that our child is our earning source, so they understand the financial situation. So I think boys are better.
That's really great. Yes.
I think boys can understand easily of their parents,
Yes.
because they know that what is the situation of their family members, and whatever they want, so they can give them.
Yeah, okay.
And they understand their family members, that what they want to from a boy.
Yeah.
And he can earn money at 18 age.
In the age of 18
Yeah.
to 19. That's
Yes,
really
sir.
great. What do you think?
I think girls are good understanding her parents. If I also have given the example, I also have given the example of marriage. Before marriage, he have to understand her parents, and after marriage, she have to manage with other parents. So there is good understanding level.
Because girls have to face two life, before marriage and after marriage. Okay, one by one. First topic.
Sir, according to me, girls are very curious about their parents. Girls has an emotion, and they understand feeling of their parents. But boys does not understand parents' thinking. And I have seen many boys after marriage, after getting job, after getting marriage, they leave their parents. But girls does not do it.
After wedding, especially after marriage, what happened with the boys?
So all boys are not same. After marriage, as you said, that girls have to face different life, but boys have also two different life. When she was unmarried, so she has only the attention of their parents only. But when a girl who leave his house for him, so he have to manage both means his wife as well as his family also.
Okay.
So it is difficult for a boys.
To manage two families. Yes.
Yeah. And as you said that they have to girls had leave their home, but a boy also take care of a girl. That they know that she have leave her home for me, so I can do everything for him for making him happy, her happy.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's really great. Okay, now I would like to tell you that you all have to conclude here. You all have to conclude now. Genuinely, what do you think? Don't play role here. Don't play role. What do you think? Who is better, boys or girls? It is the conclusion. In the conclusion, you can say what do you think genuinely. All right. Before that, I was talking about restrictions that boys can't say in favor of girls. Sorry, in the favor of boys, but girls can't say in the favor of girls. But now I have just put off my restrictions. Now you can speak freely. So what do you think? It is the conclusion. You can conclude in few sentences.
I think both are good because we can say that at the present girls can do everything and boys can also do everything and we are saying that in Hindi sab barabar.
Yes.
All are equal here. We can't judge anyone. She can't do anything and he can't do these things.
Yes.
So everything is good and equal.
Okay. That's really. It means this is the society where all people are treating both the gender equally. Yes.
Sir, I think that girls and boys are both better because without girls there is a no boys. With girls birth a baby, they does not birth a baby without boys, and we know that in society there is no and we cannot achieve anything without girls. So I think both are important and equally.
Okay, that's a really great topic. Yes.
I think boys and girls both are good in their own way because they know what is good and what is right for their life, and they also both are understand their family members and friends. So if whatever they do, so they know that what is wrong and what is right.
Yes, Trusty. Finally, now just conclude.
Sir, in my view, both are very important for society. Both are incomplete without each other. If we are talking about girls, so girls are the center from where the entire society has born, and and boys are also like a coconut, like who is hard from outside, but internally there is also a soft corner. So I think both are important.
Okay, that's really great, all of you. You said fantastically. But now, guys, I just want to know what do you think? What do you think? Who is better? Who is more responsible? You can tell me by sending me something, or the comments you can tell me something by doing comments. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like the video, so please share it. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you so much.